Okay, so I got all those done. You can see they're all there, except for the thumb. I want to do a little bit more work on the thumb itself, so I'm not going to string that one up yet. You can see, and those tubes aren't secured in the springs either. I'm going to use some super glue gel to hold them in place, so that'll be the next step, but that will hold everything nice and taut. Or at least that's the idea. We'll see how it works. I just have to string all this stuff up, and get this thing going here within the week. And I just need to do some work on this thumb too. It's just not moving as smoothly as I'd like. I think it seems to be okay. It might just be this movement here that's still a little sluggish. I want it to be a little freer than that, so I might just have to kind of sand it down just a little bit to get that free. I want to secure the wrist a little bit better. It has a little bit of play in it that I don't like. So before I finalize all of these tendons, I want to address these two parts. And then I'll be able to hook up all of them up and start testing, and you'll see that pretty soon. So I'm going to step away from this for a moment. Got a few other projects. We'll be getting back on this, and hopefully within the week we'll have this arm going. So I'll see you soon.